To view metrics for Azure SQL Managed Identity, follow these steps. First, understand what Azure SQL Managed Identity is, which is a feature that enables Azure services to authenticate to Azure SQL database without needing to store credentials in code. Next, navigate to the Azure portal and sign in with your Azure account credentials. Then select the Azure SQL database you want to view metrics for and click on it. In the left-hand menu, click on Metrics to access the Metrics page. On the Metrics page, you can select the metric you want to view, such as CPU percentage, storage size, or connection count. You can also choose the time range for which you want to view the metric, such as the last hour, day, or week. To view metrics specifically for the Managed Identity, click on the Diagnose and Solve Problems tab and then click on the Identity and Access tab. Here you can view metrics related to the Managed Identity, such as the number of times the Managed Identity has been used to authenticate to the database. Best practices for viewing metrics for Azure SQL Managed Identity include regularly monitoring metrics to ensure the managed identity is being used correctly and efficiently, and using the metrics to troubleshoot any issues related to authentication or access to the database. Additionally, make sure to only grant the managed identity the necessary permissions to access the database, and to regularly review and update the permissions as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively view and manage metrics for Azure SQL Managed Identity and ensure secure and efficient access to your database.